to understand the method of cross multiplication, your first step would be, this would be your first step. This would be your first step. You should form your equation in this manner. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Where x and y are variables and c1 and c2 are constants. And a1, a2, b1, b2 all are constants. So basically a1, a2 and b1, b2, they are talking about the coefficient of their variables. Like a1 is talking about the coefficient of x, a2 is talking about coefficient of x, and b1 is talking about the coefficient of y. C1 is talking about the constant. Similarly, b2 is talking about the coefficient of y and c2 is constant. So let us take an example. If I'm writing like x plus y is equal to 7, this is my equation. So your rule says your equation would be of the form this. That means on the right hand side, you should have a 0. So to get 0 on the right hand side, you will take 7 on the left hand side. So this would be x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. X is of positive. If you take this on the right hand side, it would be negative. So x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here, what is a1? What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 1. So a1 would be 1. And what is a2? What is b2? Sorry. What is b1? So coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is b1. Coefficient of y is 1. So b1 is 1. Right? You have to represent your equation in this form. Now, your second step would be you have to write it in the form of this x, y, and 1. So with variable x, you have two coefficients a1 and a2. With variable y, you have two coefficients b1 and b2. And with variable 1, this is not a variable, this is a constant. So with 1, you have c1 and c2, right? Now, so to write step number 3, I'm writing step number 2 again. Step number 2 was x, y, and your constant. Coefficient of x is a1 and a2. Coefficient of y is b1 and b2. And constants are c1 and c2. So to calculate your step number 3 is cross multiplication. So you would write x divided by, leave this first column. Okay, leave this first column and this part. If you are talking about x, so you will leave this part. And now you are left with what? Let me change the marker. Now you are left with b1, b2, c1, c2. So you will cross multiply the left part. This would be b1. So x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Right? Now next we would be calculating y. So to calculate y, I'm writing the rule number 2 again. Rule number 2 was x, y, and this constant. Coefficient of x is a1, a2, b1, b2, and 1 is c1, c2. Okay. So I'm just changing the marker to write the value of y. So what you have to do for y? Y means whatever coming in y. You would leave this row and this column. Wherever this is coinciding. So this value, for calculating the value of y, you will leave this row and this column. Now you would cross multiply. So this and this. So how you would write y? So for y, you would have to take one precaution. So y would be minus y divided by a1 c2 minus a2 c1. This first a1 c2 minus a2 c1, right? Now let us calculate the value of the constant. So to calculate the value of the constant, I am writing the rule number 2 again. Rule number 2 was x, y, constant, a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, right? Now I'm changing the marker to let you know properly. Calculating the value of this constant, this one, you would leave this row, and this column. This column you would leave, right? Now, whatever is left, just cross multiply. A1, B2, A2, B1. So you would write it as 1 divided by A1 into B2. A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Okay. Now just compile everything you got. So your fourth step would be equating all the values. So you got x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, that is equal to minus y divided by a1 c2 minus a2 c1, that is equal to what? 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So from this, you would calculate your step number 5. Take two equivalent one at a time. So with x and this, if you would compare x and this constant, x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So what would be the value of x? Just cross multiply. This. You would get x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, you will calculate the y. 6. What is the value of y? So compare other two equivalents, y and the constant. So minus y divided by a1 c2 minus a2 c1, that is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So your y would be this cross multiply. So your y would be a1 c2 minus a2 c1 divided by minus a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So you don't have to change this, change the numerator. So minus a1 c2 plus, if you take minus inside, it would be minus a1 c2 plus a2 c1, that would be divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this would be a2 c1 minus a1 c2 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This would be y. So the value of y is this. So the value of y is this. Y is a2 c1 minus a1 c2 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now let us do problems on this cross multiplication.